Okay, Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh dan selamat sejahtera. So in this video, I would like to describe the hybridization in phosphorus pentafluoride. So let's check out. Right. So first of all, we need to draw a Lewis structure for PF5. So we need to calculate the total number of valence electron. Phosphorus is our central atom and it bonded to 5-fluorine. So this is a Lewis structure for phosphorus pentafluoride, which is the first step. The second step is you have to identify how many lone pair, bonding pair, lone pair, sigma bond and pi bond around the central atom. So in this case, we have all single bond, so we have all sigma bond. So we can write a statement. Phosphorus has 5 sigma bond. So therefore, the hybridization is sp3. If sp3, we only have 4 available, D. So S1, P3, D1. Total is 5. The shape supposed to be trigonal bipyramidal. Alright. Okay. Next step is we write the what we call it, a ground state, excited state, and hybridization for phosphorus. Okay. So we have phosphorus ground state. Phosphorus come from period 3 and it have 5 valence electron, 3s, 3p. Okay. We know that for period 3 and above, there are d orbital available, but in this case, d orbital is still empty. Right. If you look at the orbital that occupied with electron, we only have 3 orbital that can undergo overlapping, because for 3s orbital, the orbital is fully filled with the electron, so we cannot overlap in 3s orbital. Right. So to make it happen, what we have to do is we have to excite one of the electron here to the 3d orbital. We cannot excite to 3p because 3p all are half filled. So we can excite to the 3d orbital. So what is the result after the excitement? So you will have a phosphorus excited state, which is 3s, 3p, 3d. Now it becomes half and one electron is here. Okay, and then we can blend it together or we can hybrid HYB. So we will blend this together and it will form a set of orbital with the same energy level. The p orbital will overlap with phosphorus will overlap with fluorine. Okay. So fluorine, we write a fluorine ground state. that occupied 9 electron. Sorry, 7. So we only have one available orbital for overlapping. So for sp3d, the shape is trigonal bipyramidal. So we know that when we draw the molecular geometry, it's supposed to be one on the top, one bottom, and we have 3 F here. So when it's come to the overlapping, we still have to draw the geometry according to that technique. So we have one sp3d, another one sp3d. Okay, this is another one sp3d, and we have 1, 2, 3. This is represent sp3d, sp3d, sp3d. Okay, so it brings 1 electron. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. The atom is phosphorus. Okay, now it overlaps with dual p orbital, 2p. The shape supposed to be dumbbell, 2p. This is 2p. This is 2p. Kalau dia sengit sikit, kita kena ikut dia lah. Okay, each p orbital brings another 1 electron. It's supposed to be in the opposite direction. This is fluorine, this is fluorine, this is fluorine, fluorine, fluorine. This overlapping represent the sigma bond, sigma bond, sigma bond, sigma bond, sigma bond. So when you want to check, make sure that you have sp3d, you label the orbital, and you label the overlapping. So I think that's all for sp3d. We will find the next video will discuss sp3d2, right? So that's all. Thank you very much.